Hi guys, I made this pepper clock only a few days ago, maybe a week at the most. The pepper was already going soft and squishy before I started using it. In fact, it was going to be thrown out and I thought, well, we'll give it a few days as a clock before it goes into the recycling. But as you can see at the moment, it's dead. I think the reason it goes dead is the flesh of the pepper dries out and pulls away from the conductors or electrodes. Well, there you go. If I hold it in the right way, it starts working again. So I was thinking about this. I thought I can either throw it away now because it's obviously well past its best, or I could liquidize it and then pour the juice or whatever into a jar like that and then use that as the battery. So the flesh can't pull away from it because it will be liquid. My wife tells me that this thing tends to spray everything everywhere because it's not a sealed top. So I've got to cut it up into bits and do it a small amount at a time. But I'll record it, so we'll see what happens. We'll put that to one side. We'll save the juice. Yeah, that's pretty I've never used this, or at least I don't remember ever using it, so I've no idea how much I've got to cut it up to make use of it. I don't expect we need the seeds. So we'll just try and liquidize that bit. Out of the way. Cool. Skin's actually quite tough. I'm going to be in the way, aren't I? That way around. Why is that not staying in place? Because I'm turning it the wrong way. I see what she means. She suggested cutting a paper plate and putting it over the top. To hold it down. We'll try that. I'll be back in a minute. Well, in fact, if we do that and that, and do a rough judge. Not very neat. Oh, I haven't locked it properly. Okay. How are we going to do this, Grandad? We haven't got this worked out, have we? Clearly, I've never tried this before. Those of you who know that I do Grandad cooking videos sometimes. That is not what this is. That keeps coming loose. Ah, it clicked that time. Okay. Well, we have some. I'll just go and wash this off. So, swing that off like that. Take that out the way. Right, so there's our puree. What we could do with is a couple of pegs. There we go. So there we have a pepper puree clock. I don't know how long that'll last, but I won't have the same problem as I do with the original pepper. I could do a better way of holding those clips in place, but that'll do for now. I'll do the job. I'll set the time and yeah, let's try and set the time. You can see these are moving as I'm doing this. Come on, where are you? That's 1. 12. Come on. Oh, they're just awkward to get to those. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 19th. 8 p.m. 52 according to the clock behind me. Okay. If I press that, it flicks between date and time. Yeah. Stick that back in there. Stick that on there. Pepper puree clock. We'll see how long that lasts. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.